Hello, my name is Mariśca, and today we will be learning how to use the New York Times digital online code from the Wellesley Free Library. The first thing you will need is a New York Times digital account. So you may either log in if you have information saved, or you may create an account, right? Such as, I will show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. From here, the New York Times, you just click on the login button, which will be right here up top when everything finishes loading. The New York Times, as you can see, has quite a bit of information. So you can click log in, even if you don't have an account, and it will take you to the login page. And if you don't have a Times account, you can click here on create one to create one. Then all you have to do is enter your email and create a password and click on create account. After you have created your account, you will get an email in your inbox that will let you confirm your account. You'll just click on it and click through to the link. After that, if you're looking to redeem the code that the Wellesley Free Library and All Minuteman Network offers, you can click to the Wellesley Free Library at wellesleyfreelibrary.org. You can click through to the home page, go to eLibrary since this is an electronic resource. Click on use newyorktimes.com. Now, once you are here, it will give you the steps, and you can visit this page to get a redeemable code. Once you've gotten your code, you can just click redeem. The code is good for 3 days, and you can redeem any number of codes that you need. So after your first code is expired, you can come back and redeem a new code. And it's pretty much that straightforward. Once you click redeem and sign in, code redemption, your access code is valid. It will give you a basic digital access starting today. It will tell you when it ends, and you get to set up your subscription experience. So you get to choose what you want to be informed about, what you want newsletters from, etc. Breaking news, relevant current events, maybe some debates. You can save and continue. And you can also download the app to start reading, play miniature crosswords, and sync across devices. That is entirely up to you. And if you don't want to put in your phone or use the app, you can click no thanks, and it will take you back to the front page of the New York Times. It is that simple. I do encourage you to explore and see what kinds of things that you can read about. It's really interesting, and you can be as informed as you wish.